everyone, today in this video we will see how we can do the theme customization for our website with the help of More Customers app admin panel in desktop or laptop. This is our website. First of all, you need to type your website's URL name in the browser and put /admin, enter. This is the login page for admin panel. Now you can log in with the help of your mobile number or email ID, whichever you have registered with. This is the dashboard of our website, and this is the admin panel from where you can make the advanced settings. Under configuration, there is one button of customize your website. I'll just click over there. As soon as I click over there, in the next tab my website opens. Now whenever you want to start editing, make sure this radio button is turned on. If it is turned off, editing won't be possible. Now here you can see a settings option. I'll click over here. Now here it is written theme option, means basically what you can do is you can change the theme colors of your website. So we'll start with primary color. Primary color is the color by which you can change the color of the header, the sliding arrows, the titles, the price of the product, the titles again, and the footer. So these many changes are done with the help of primary color. Now next comes the secondary color. With the help of secondary color, I can change the color of the category lines, the search icon, my cart icon, discount which I have mentioned for the product, and the save button here. So these are the changes which can be done with the help of secondary color. Now let's come to the third color. I'm changing it. Okay, so the third color is the color which changes the above header section. Here you can see you will find the latest collection only here at Stylic. This is my above header section. This color can be changed with the help of the third color. So these are the three color options with the help of which you can change the colors on the website. Now let's come to the font style. Font style, here you can see right now the font style I have already selected. Now if I'll change it, you will definitely see the changes over here. Okay, next is body background. Body background is something, here you can see right now the white color is there because I have not selected any of the background for the body of the website. But if I am turning on this radio button, I'll get an option of selecting the background color, so I can do that. Here you can see the changes over here. If I am selecting the body background, the changes can be seen here. Whatever part you can see in green, that is body background. Now if I want to add any texture onto it, I can do that. Here you can see the effects. If I want to add any image, I can do that. If I want to keep it plain, I'll just keep it very simple. Okay, next is box layout. Right now you can see the website is stretched enough and it is totally onto the screen, but if I want some gap on the right and left hand side, so I'll just show an example. If I'm selecting box layout, I put on the radio button. Same here, you can see white on the left and on the right as well. Now I can choose any color over there. Suppose if I want black color to be done, so I'll just select black or orange something. Here I'm selecting orange. Okay, so here you can see a box kind of formation my site is there into. So this is basically a box formation. Same way you can change the color, you can put the texture, and you can put the sample images as well. but make sure after making all this changes on the website you are submitting it. If you are not submitting it, the website changes won't be done. So just remember to submit the changes. Once you submit the changes, you can see all the changes that you have done on your website. We have changed the color of each and everywhere. Let's scroll down and see onto it. Here. I hope you understand about the theme customization. In the later on videos, we will see more about customization. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.